Hi, day 22. So let's get better 1% every day while practicing English. So I'm going to pick my notes and today we'll discuss shopping mall English and hotel English, doctor English, and many more such real role plays. So let's quickly come to the topic number one, that is shopping mall English, speak like a confident buyer. Okay, so first entering the shop. Just imagine that we are entering the shop. You, hi, I'm just looking around. Useful phrases, I am looking for something casual. Do you have this in a different size? Can I try this on? Example, hi, I'm looking for a shirt. 2. Asking for size and color. Do you have this in medium? Is this available in black? Where is the trial room? Example, do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in a smaller size? 3rd, trying clothes. You, can I try this on? Staff, yes, the trial room is over there. Yes, the trial room is over there. Now, useful phrases. It fits perfectly. If it fits, so we can say it fits perfectly. It's a bit tight. It doesn't suit me. Example, it fits well, but I'm not sure about the color. It fits well, but I'm not sure about the color. 4. Price talk, very important. Bargaining. It is also a skill, by the way. How much is this? Is there any discount? Can you give me a better price? Is this on sale? Example, is there any discount on this item? 5. Natural shopping English, real flow. I am looking for a shirt. Do you have it in medium? Can I try this on? How much is this? I'll take it. Part 6, shopping words. Size, fitting room, trial room discount, price tag, on sale, cashier, receipt. Like these are the shopping words: size, fitting room, trial room, discount, price tag, on sale, cashier, receipt. Earlier I used to say receipt. Oh my god, now I say receipt. Yes, it's receipt. Practice more on. Repeat after me. I'm looking for something casual. Can I try this on? Do you have this in medium? Is there any discount? I'll take it. Now, topic number 2, hotel English, speak confidently while traveling. Firstly, booking a room, phone or reception. You, I would like to book a room, please. Useful phrases. Do you have any rooms available? How much per night? I need a single double room. Example, I'd like to book a double room for 2 nights. I'd like to book a double room for 2 nights. Second, hotel check-in. You, good evening, I have a reservation. Reception, may I see your ID? You, here it is. Here it is. Useful phrases. I have a booking under my name. I would like to check in. What time is checkout? 3. Room question. Is breakfast included? Where is the elevator? What time is breakfast served? Can I get a quiet room? Can I get a quiet room? Example, is breakfast included in my stay? Is breakfast included in my stay? 4. Room service English. Can I order room service? I'd like some water, please. Can you send towels to my room? Can you send towels to my room? How long will it take? How long will it take? Example, Can I have some room service, please? Can I have some room service, please? Fifth, complaint English, very important. Polite but clear. There is a problem with my room. There is a problem with my room. The AC is not working. The room is not clean. Could you please fix this? Example, the air conditioning is not working properly. The air conditioning is not working properly. 6. Check out. I'd like to check out, please. Can I get the bill? Do you accept card payments? Can I leave my luggage for a while? Example, I would like to check out now, please. I would like to check out now, please. Bonus hotel keywords: reservation, reception, check in, check out, room service, booking, bill. Now practice more on. Repeat with me. I have a reservation. Is breakfast included? Can I order room service? The AC is not working. I'd like to check out. Now topic number 3. Doctor English, talk about health like a native. Okay. Firstly, basic health talk. Stop here. I am sick. I have pain. I'm not well. This is too simple. Second, clear symptoms important. Natural medical English. I have a headache. I have a fever. I have a sore throat. I feel dizzy. Example, I have a headache since morning. Part 3. Describing problems more natural. Add details. It started yesterday. It hurts when I move. It started yesterday. It hurts when I move. The pain comes and goes. The pain comes and goes. It's getting worse. It's getting worse. Now example, the pain started yesterday and it's getting worse. The pain started yesterday and it's getting worse. For advanced doctor English. More precise speaking, I have been feeling unwell for 2 days. I have been feeling unwell for 2 days. I am experiencing severe discomfort. I am experiencing severe discomfort. It feels like a sharp pain. It feels like a sharp pain. I am having trouble sleeping because of it. I am having trouble sleeping because of it. Example, I have been feeling unwell for 2 days now. I have been feeling unwell for 2 days now. 5. Doctor questions and answers. Doctor and you conversations. Doctor, what symptoms do you have? What symptoms do you have? You, I have a fever and body pain. I have a fever and body pain. More casual talk. Doctor, since when? You, it started 2 days ago. Now 6 useful clinic phrases. Do I need medicine? Is it serious? How long will it take to recover? How long will it take to recover? Should I take rest? Should I take rest? Example, is it something serious, doctor? Is it something serious, doctor? Now bonus important health words like symptoms, pain, fever, infection, recovery, prescription. Practice more. Repeat after me. I have a headache. It started yesterday. I am feeling unwell. It's getting worse. It's getting worse. I need to see a doctor. I need to see a doctor. Okay, I think we are done for today. We'll meet tomorrow, same time, same journey. And let's get better 1% daily in English speaking practice. Till then, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.